Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the HP DesignJet T630 large format 24-inch plotter printer. This powerhouse of a printer is designed to revolutionize the way architects, engineers, and construction professionals work with technical line drawings, renders, posters, and maps. So, let's dive right in and see what makes this printer so special. First off, the HP DesignJet T630 is a beast when it comes to handling large format media. With the ability to print up to 24-inch wide media rolls and up to 13-inch by 19-inch sheets using the included automatic sheet feeder accessory, you've got the flexibility to work with a wide range of document sizes. This is a huge plus for professionals who need to print large technical drawings, blueprints, or posters. Imagine being able to print out a detailed architectural rendering or a massive map with precise, accurate line quality and crisp text. It's a game changer. The automatic sheet feeder accessory is also a major time saver, allowing you to print multiple sheets without having to manually feed each one. Another key feature that really impressed me is the media handling capabilities of the HP DesignJet T630. With sheet feed, roll feed, automatic sheet/roll switch, media bin, and automatic horizontal cutter, you've got a printer that can handle just about any media type you throw at it. This means you can print on a variety of materials, from plain paper to glossy photo paper, and even specialized media like waterproof paper or canvas. The automatic horizontal cutter is also a nice touch, allowing you to quickly and easily cut your prints to size without having to use a separate cutter. This level of flexibility and convenience is a major advantage for professionals who need to print a wide range of documents and materials. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The HP DesignJet T630 has got you covered with Gigabit Ethernet, high-speed USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi 802.11b/G/N. This means you can easily connect the printer to your network or device and start printing right away. Whether you're working in an office or on a construction site, the wireless connectivity option is a major plus, allowing you to print from your laptop or mobile device without having to deal with messy cables. And with the included HP Click software, you can simplify your printing workflow and save time, ink, and paper waste. The software allows you to predefine your print settings, check for errors, and even auto-nest your prints to minimize waste. The HP Click software is also incredibly intuitive, allowing you to drag and drop files directly into the printer queue. This means you can print directly from your design and common CAD applications, without having to worry about compatibility issues or complicated printing settings. The software also includes features like PDF error checking and alerts, which help you catch any mistakes or issues before you print. This level of simplicity and ease of use is a major advantage for professionals who need to print complex documents and designs. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T630 large format 24-inch plotter printer is an absolute powerhouse of a printer that's designed to meet the demands of professionals who need high-quality, large format prints. With its impressive media handling capabilities, flexible connectivity options, and intuitive software, this printer is a must-have for anyone working in architecture, engineering, or construction. So, if you're in the market for a printer that can handle your large format printing needs, I highly recommend checking out the HP DesignJet T630. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one today. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. This printer is a game changer. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.